Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you guys ready to find meaningful connections and maybe even a long-term relationship? Today I'm going to show you how to download the Hinge dating app on your smartphone. Hinge is known as a dating app designed to be deleted, which means it's all about helping you find that special someone. So we're going to look through how to download its app. Let's dive right in. First of all, open the App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you are on an Android device. Here I'm on my Android phone, so I'll go on and open my Play Store. Once you're in the store, you can see the search bar at the top of your screen. Tap on it and type Hinge and search for it. You'll see the Hinge app appear in the search results. Look for the official Hinge app. It should have this logo. Once you've found the app, tap on the Get button if you are on an iPhone or the Install button if you are on an Android device to start downloading the app. The download process might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download is completed, here you can see the Open button. Tap on it to launch the Hinge app. From here, if you already have a Hinge account, you can sign in using your credentials. If not, you can create a new account from here. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded the Hinge app on your phone. You are now ready to start meeting new people on Hinge. Happy dating! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.